the detail that went in right from design through to the execution. So such a detailed design process is something that I was going through for the first time. It almost felt like being spoiled for so many choices. It was to some extent a little bit confusing to go through so many different choices, but Isha and team had done a great job in bringing out multiple elements that actually made us feel quite excited about the entire work that was to happen. The other thing is what we wanted is to bring out some more sort of highlight in each of the rooms, so to say. So what we did is we've gone for textured paint for each of the rooms for a highlight wall, and that's come out really well and it looks quite beautiful. In each room it has its own distinctive element to it, and that's how it's come through. So very happy about the fact that the living room as well as each of the bedrooms we've been able to create something which feels fairly unique and inspiring for us on a daily basis. As far as the execution phase was concerned, we were working on a very tight timeline that I told Amit and Prabhu as well early on, that we wanted to get most of the critical work done during the summer vacation, and they had to really stretch, but largely those things did come through, and that helped us plan our entire shift outside the house and then coming back as well fairly well. So that way, overall quite happy with the work that came through both across design and execution. From an overall experience perspective, I would say would definitely recommend. In fact, not about would definitely recommend, I've already recommended to multiple people in at least my friends and family sort of circle, and some of them are already getting their entire house done through Reminiscent. So yeah, most of them also seem to be fairly happy with how the work is progressing. So yeah, quite excited about what has come through, and also all the very best to the Reminiscent team.